My name is Akwasi Owusu-Bempah. I'm a faculty member in the Department of Sociology at the University of Toronto, Mississauga, and chair of the governing board and senior fellow at Massey College. Waiting to Inhale really provides an overview of how drug law enforcement, so how the policing of drugs and especially cannabis has been used to target Black, Indigenous, and other racialized populations. In the book, we tell the stories of people who've been targeted and how their lives have really been upended by cannabis prohibition. But we also importantly identify the possibilities and the potential that legalization brings around with respect to trying to repair these harms. And what we want to see is space within this legal industry for those people who've been targeted by the war on drugs. The billions of dollars spent on police, on courts and corrections was not spent on schools, on hospitals, community centers, and community health care centers within those neighborhoods. And so we highlight, these possibilities, as well as we think at the most basic level, clearing the criminal records of people who've been convicted of activities that are now no longer illegal. And I think what's important to note is, although they are few and far between, some of the individuals who were historically criminalized have been at the forefront of these advocacy efforts to ensure that people harmed by prohibition are included in the new legal industry.